ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nam ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bhasha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
ka sarkar jala kala batha ya katanat PWD bakan shna pendap no hapo news nam arjap saw ya ka molai bypass ka ba penyeso ya ka surok jong ka katling sun shalong ka badan ha ka shnong umroi riboy district usembut menteri rangba katanat penroisor uba singaw balang dhar ha ka jiakran bat kilat pathai kubor ha ka spotrek unai lur arjar arsaw ulai thu ba ula patha ya ke officer ban lejurep ya ka interstate bus terminal ka badan ha mawyong rem hadien bala yojing tep ba kani ka chaka yang jongki bus ki ba juket i kinole nyongwan kala longkum ka krem ri tengan jongki nongle kam snio.
Actually, you see right from when the Umyam bridge closed, yes, it's suffer, especially for our people who the house or the shop owner there. And now in the meantime, the thing is not smooth, so hopefully there is another road which still under construction just along the Molai bypass towards the airport road. So we request the producer to speed up the road. So when that road, at least alternative road is completed, I think the normal business will resume. That was not under me, under PWD department. I think we will complete maybe a year or. You see, me, so I have heard that, but actually, obviously, we haven't received any complaints. I haven't instructed my officer to go and have a look at this. No, actually, my officer went for inspection when this last 2 days. So I think they submitted the report these 2 days. We will take necessary action. We should not allow all this anti-social element to stay there.
But are they parking in the ISP too, or where are they parking?
No, you see, they are parking different places. Some of them park here and there, so I cannot tell you the exact place where they park. And obviously, it seems from what you said, they park in there just near the dam itself only. So we are trying to request you to complete the new project, which is another alternative road. So hopefully, when this road is complete, at least the big vehicle, the big bus can come and resume the usual business. So how to get things done properly. So maybe it will take us few weeks. We will have to sit about this also temporarily. What type of solution we can solve, at least if not fully also. We are here to listen from them. What is the good opinion for them? Also to call a solution there also.
The bus operator.
Yeah, bus operator. I have told my officer to have a meeting with them and give a report to you.